Hello, I just wanted to share that with you really quick. Um, is the obedience. Well, I just wanted to let you know that being obedient is very important. Being obedient to Jesus it's amazing and it's important because you said you love Jesus, right? If you do really truly love Jesus, then you have to be obedient to Jesus' voice. Okay? You really have to be obedient to Jesus' voice because there is a lot of blessing behind it. And then you said you love Jesus, and beside, he's for you. He's not against you. Whatever he tells you to do, it's for you, for your goodness. And then, because you said you want to work for Jesus and you want to do the thing that Jesus wants you to do, so therefore I encourage you to be obedient to Jesus' voice and spend as much time as you can, just so you get used to his voice. So when he talks to you, so you know when he talk, if it's him or if it's your thought, your mind. And the more time you spend with God, and the more like you get used to his voice, you know how he talk, you know his voice. And you know when he talk, he whisper. So therefore you're gonna listen to a whisper in love, and because his voice is love, so you're gonna have to do that. And then because he's your Lord, if Jesus is your Lord, you're gonna listen, do everything that he wants you to do, he asks you to do. He doesn't force himself on people. He just asks you nicely, and if you said no, he will leave you alone. But if he tells you to do it, I suggest highly that you do it, because Jesus is amazing. And then one thing, you know, a lot of people, they say Jesus is is everything to them. They are Christian, and then they keep cursing, they keep sleeping around, and they keep, you know, doing things that God doesn't like. They live in sin, and they still, you know, saying that Jesus is their Lord. But how do you make someone your Lord? How do you make, you know, people Jesus your Lord or the devil your Lord? Is by doing the thing that they want you to do. So therefore, Jesus want me to do good. Jesus want me to pray for my sister and help my sister, or Jesus wants you to live a holy life, and Jesus wants you to respect your elderly. Jesus doesn't want you to curse. So therefore, I'm gonna listen to the voice of Jesus and not doing the thing that he doesn't want me to do, because he is my Lord. And it's the same thing. So if you are living in sin, that means you make the devil the Lord of your life. You don't want to do that. The devil is no good. It's up to no good. So you don't want to do that. He's not gonna bless you. He's gonna even try to kill you. So you don't want to make that. You don't want to do that. And the devil didn't create you. God created you. So therefore you have to please God. You have to make God happy. And this is my word for tonight. And I miss you guys, and I'm gonna continue posting. And thank you so much, Danny, for your support and encouraging you. You know, I'm glad that I finally found a friend that can support me and, you know, telling me to post. So